Hello friends, welcome to the Learners channel. In this video, we will going to learn about the extend command. In any design process, you may need to adjust the length of a line or any other AutoCAD object to meet the design requirements. In some cases, you may need to lengthen an object, while in others, you may require shortening the object geometry. The extend command is used to increase the length of a line, polyline, arc, or other AutoCAD elements to connect it to another object. The extend command is a precision drafting tool that extends objects and ends them exactly at the specified boundary. In the following figure, if you want to extend line 1 to line 2, you first need to run the extend command, then select the boundary line 2 and then the line to be extended, line 1. Okay, how to using the extend objects? We can run the extend command in the following two ways. From the ribbon, activate the home tab, then from the modify panel, click the arrow next to the trim button to open the flyer and run the extend command. The second option is to type the alias ex or the full extend extend command in the command bar and press on the enter key or the space bar. Now I am going to show you the both mentioned extend tools. Okay, now I am in AutoCAD software and in home ribbon. Under modify panel, you may see here there is trim, and when we open flyer, there is extend. From here, I may select extend command, and now I am showing you from command bar. In command bar, I am typing here extend ex. Okay, there here is a prompted window for extend. Okay, when I am pressing yes, there is extend. Now I am going to show you the now I'm going to show you the process of using extend command. In this exercise, we will extend line 1 to line 2 as shown using the extend command. Let us follow step by step procedure to accomplish this goal. Open the AutoCAD and you draw the two mentioned above mentioned lines. Use any of the two methods previously explained to activate the extend command. Either it may be from ribbon method or it may be from command bar method. Select line 2, the boundary of the extension, then press on the enter key or space bar to complete the selection. Now when asked to select the object that you want to extend, select line 1. Line 1 is now extended to the specified boundary. Press escape ESC or escape key from your keyboard and end the command. This illustration shows the final position of the objects after the completion of the extend command. Now I am going to show you the application of extend command in AutoCAD software. Mm, Now I am in AutoCAD software. Here line 1 and line 2. I have to extend line 1 to line 2. In command bar, I am typing here the command for extend, that is ex, then I am pressing here enter key. Here is in command bar there is select objects. Okay, I have to select the line 2, then extend select objects, then the point which I would like to extend, then I am pressing the line 1. Now you see here the line 1 is extended. For more videos regarding AutoCAD, please subscribe this channel, and if you gain some knowledge from this video, please share it. Thanks for watching.